teachers. My name is Katya, and today we're going to talk about a Gamestar Mechanic class project called Earth Science Systems. So in a Gamestar Mechanic teacher account, I'm going to go to the workshop, scroll down to one of my classes and click on class projects. Scroll to the very bottom of my already assigned projects and click on add new project. This brings us to our project catalog. If I scroll a little ways down here, I find the project called Earth Science Systems. I'll click on View and I'll see that this project is all about making a game that models a system that we find in the real world, a natural system found on planet Earth. So I'm going to go to Preview and Assign. And here I can customize instructions for my class if I want to. And then there's a little bit of information that my students will see. And in the project goals, we see that the project challenges you to build a fun game and challenging game that models a natural scientific system on our planet. So if you've been studying a system with your class, this would be a good opportunity to have your students try out modeling that system as a game. We've added a couple systems here that you may have studied that we think would make an interesting game. So like a water molecule in the water cycle, a predator or prey in the food chain, a sedimentary rock in a system of a river formation. So when you encourage your students to pick a system that they're going to model, have them think about what the avatar would be. Is that avatar going to be a water molecule, a photon, a bird, a rock, a magma particle? What is that avatar going to represent as it moves through the system? There is one game here called the Water Cycle that a student made that we thought was a good example of a game that models a system. And you'll see here that in making a game about Earth science systems, you have to be a little creative with Gamestar sprites. So this student tells us right off the bat the blue block represents the ocean. So when we play the game, we know that when we see blue blocks, they're representing the ocean, like down here. There's also messages in this game that will tell us what each part of the system represents. And in this game, I believe we play a water molecule and travel around the water cycle. If you haven't used a class project before, check out our class projects tutorial to learn how they work and enjoy using the Earth Science Systems class projects with your class.